Welcome to WhitePepper, a world-class chef academy located on the south coast of England. Our Level 2 Bronze Award is a full-time, 3-week course at foundation level. This is an entry-level qualification and is accredited by the Confederation of Tourism and Hospitality and regulated by Ofqual, so it can be used in conjunction with other study.
This in-person course focuses on inspirational learning through practice.
Our students learn how to professionally handle and cook meat, fish, sauces, desserts, and much more.
Learning is supported by one-on-one coaching. Our esteemed chefs and qualified teachers will support you all the way.
This course is hugely popular with chalet chefs, food enthusiasts, and gap year students.
No prior experience is needed, just a passion for food and a determination to learn.